The 3.8-liter G6DN is a member of Hyundai Kia's Lambda 2 engine family. It is a naturally aspirated V6 featuring direct fuel injection, GDI, dual continuously variable valve timing, and an Atkinson-Cycle operating strategy designed to maximize fuel efficiency. The engine produces from 291 to 311 horsepower, depending on application, and is commonly found in hybrid and fuel economy-focused models, such as the Hyundai Palisade hybrid variants in some markets, Kia Telluride-related applications, and several Genesis and Hyundai products utilizing the latest Lambda architecture. Compared with earlier Lambda engines, the G6DN benefits from improved thermal efficiency, reduced internal friction, and updated engine management systems. While generally regarded as a reliable modern V6, it is not completely free of weaknesses. Like virtually all direct injection-only engines, the G6DN can develop carbon deposits on the intake valves over time. Since fuel is injected directly into the combustion chamber rather than over the intake valves, gasoline no longer helps wash away oil vapors entering through the crankcase ventilation system. As mileage accumulates, carbon deposits can gradually restrict airflow and affect combustion quality. Symptoms may include rough idle, reduced fuel economy, hesitation during acceleration, and occasional misfires. The high-pressure direct injection system operates under extremely high fuel pressures. The injectors become contaminated or develop spray pattern issues over time. A faulty injector causes rough running, hard starting, increased fuel consumption, engine vibration, or misfire trouble codes. Replacement costs are significantly higher than those of traditional port injection systems. Poor fuel quality accelerate injector wear and carbon accumulation around injector tips. The G6DN uses a mechanically driven high-pressure fuel pump to supply the direct injection system. Although not considered a major failure point, some owners may experience pump wear as mileage increases. Symptoms can include difficult starting, intermittent power loss, hesitation under load, or fuel pressure-related diagnostic codes. In most cases, the pump lasts well beyond 100,000 miles, but replacement costs can be substantial when failure eventually occurs. The Lambda 2 family generally employs a durable timing chain system. However, like any chain-driven engine, excessive oil change intervals or poor lubrication can contribute to premature chain wear. If chain stretch develops, drivers may notice startup rattles, check engine lights related to camshaft timing, rough operation, or reduced performance. Fortunately, the issue is far less common than timing chain problems seen in some turbocharged competitors. Consistent oil maintenance remains the best prevention strategy. Some higher mileage G6DN engines begin consuming small amounts of oil between service intervals. Contributing factors can include piston ring wear, valve stem seal aging, and prolonged operation under high temperatures. Drivers should monitor oil levels, especially once the engine exceeds 100,000 miles. Ignoring low oil levels can accelerate wear of timing components, camshafts, and bearings. Aging plastic components, hose connections, thermostats, and water pumps eventually develop leaks. Coolant loss should never be ignored, as modern aluminum engines are sensitive to overheating. Symptoms include coolant odors, visible leaks, rising engine temperatures, or unexplained coolant level drops. Routine inspections become increasingly important as the vehicle ages. Another common high-mileage issue involves ignition coils and spark plugs. Since the GDI combustion process creates higher cylinder pressures than traditional fuel injection systems, ignition components work harder. Failing coils cause misfires, rough idle, reduced power, and illuminated check engine lights. Fortunately, repairs are relatively straightforward and significantly less expensive than fuel system repairs. Replacing spark plugs at recommended intervals helps reduce stress on the ignition system. The Atkinson-Cycle calibration improves efficiency by reducing effective compression during certain operating conditions. While this benefits fuel economy, some drivers may perceive reduced low-end torque compared with traditional auto-cycle V6 engines of similar displacement. This characteristic is normal and should not be mistaken for a mechanical problem. The engine management system prioritizes efficiency rather than aggressive throttle response. Overall, the 3.8 G6DN Lambda 2 Atkinson-Cycle GDI V6 is considered one of Hyundai Kia's more dependable modern naturally aspirated engines. It avoids many of the serious issues commonly associated with turbocharged engines, including turbocharger failures, intercooler problems, and excessive cylinder pressures. Its most notable weaknesses are typical direct injection concerns. Beyond these items, the engine has demonstrated solid durability, good refinement, and respectable longevity. For buyers seeking a modern, naturally aspirated V6, it remains one of the safer choices.